In this video, I want to share, in my opinion, some really good advice to those who are new when it comes to making money online. All right, and it's very simple advice, but it can be difficult to actually follow. All right, and my advice is you can't do everything. Pick one thing. All right, and what I mean by that is, a lot of people, they're like, they work in a 9-to-5 or a part-time job, whatever. And they're like, you know what? I want to be my own boss. I'm sick of this. I want to do my own thing. I want to make money online. I want to be able to live a laptop lifestyle, right? So they get online and they start, getting on YouTube and Google, and they seeing all of these opportunities, right? Affiliate marketing, network marketing, drop shipping, eBay, freelance work, right? Being a blogger, starting a podcast, right? It goes on and on and on and on. So everything usually that you find online, especially with YouTube, they got these fancy titles. They tell you, how to start, earning this a month, how to start earning this in a day, right? Look at my channel, same way, right? So people get so excited because they'll look at affiliate marketing, right? They'll watch videos for a couple days and they get all hyped. Then they'll see about podcasting. They get all hype, right? Then they see eBay or whatever, drop shipping. They get so excited. And then it comes to a point where they hit that overwhelmed stage, right? They get to the point where, it's been 6 months. You still at your 9-to-5 or your part-time job. And you realize you haven't made any damn money online yet. But one thing you did realize is that, you got a drop shipping account, you got a Shopify account, right? You got an eBay account, right? You signed up with 10 different affiliate programs. You got 3 YouTube channels, but very few videos on them, but you ain't making no money. Why? Because you're trying to do everything. And this is something that I even still struggle with to this day, right? I love, I had that mind, that entrepreneurial spirit. I love to be creative. I love trying different things. But a lot of times I got to be like, yo, calm down. Focus, right? Focus on one, maybe 2 things. I said one, but you can do a couple of things, to be honest with you. But you can't be doing 8 different things. You can't. You're not going to be successful. You're not going to have a successful drop shipping business. You're not going to be an successful affiliate marketer, network marketer, and freelancer all at the same time within the first 6 months of you trying to make money online. It's not going to happen. It's not, right? As tempting as all of these opportunities are, you have to look and choose one, especially if you're new to the game. You got to choose one and start making money with that before you try to expand and do other stuff. Trust me. Focus on one thing and really go in on it. Really do your research. Watch the YouTube videos, but don't watch too many of them. At some point, you got to start taking action, right? But really focus in on one thing. If it's affiliate marketing, rock it. If it's YouTube, go in on YouTube and, focus on that until you start generating some income, all right? And just to repeat, you cannot do everything. Even though all this stuff sounds tempting, focus on one, and focus on the one that you feel like you can be successful with. Don't worry about what everybody else saying, right? Focus on what you think that you would be good at and you can be successful at.